स्पार्कल एंटरटेनमेंट के इस लॉक टॉक में फिर से एक बार मैं रीटा हरिया आप सबका स्वागत कर रही हूँ। आई एम श्योर पिछला लॉक टॉक आप सबको बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा और आज का भी लॉक टॉक आपके लिए कुछ खास लम्हे, कुछ खास बातें लेकर आ रहा है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रही हूँ रितेश सावला की, जो एक ऐसी पर्सनैलिटी हैं जो एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड के साथ जुड़ी हैं। रितेश जी की खासियत ये है कि वो न सिर्फ अपने काम के साथ ईमानदारी से बढ़ते हैं आगे, पर उससे भी ज़्यादा उनके दिल में बसता है उनका धर्म, जैन धर्म। सच्ची नीति और सही राह दिखाने की उनकी ये जो मुहिम है, उसमें हम सब आज जुड़ने जा रहे हैं और समझने जा रहे हैं कि जीबी एजुकेशन, जिसकी लगभग 30 से भी ज़्यादा ऑल ओवर इंडिया में फ्रेंचाइजीज़ हैं, वहाँ पर अब्रॉड स्टडी के लिए स्टूडेंट्स जब आते हैं तो उन्हें कैसे गाइडेंस मिलता है और कैसे रितेश जी उनकी पूरी टीम के साथ उस बच्चे का भविष्य संवारने में, उसके सपने पूरे करने में जुड़ जाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच रितेश सावला फॉर जॉइनिंग आवर लॉक टॉक शो, and I'm sure it's going to be really beneficial for all students who are willing to go abroad. So my first question to you is a very simple question, and of course we all are excited to know about your GB education. कितने सालों से आप इस प्रोफेशन के साथ, इस काम के साथ जुड़े हैं और कैसे आप इसमें आगे बढ़ते हैं? Thank you.
Hi friends, we started GB in 2001 with the sole objective of helping Indian students pursue their career dreams abroad. At GB, we value each human life and its existence as per our Jain philosophy. Thus, while counseling, we step into each child's shoes and strive hard to provide them the best fit option based on their career goals, academic profile, aims and ambitions, family background, financial goals, etc. We try to provide them a variety of options and choose the right fit for them based on what's best for their life. In doing all this, the entire motive is to just serve others selflessly from the bottom of our hearts. Values and ethics are our core competence, and thus name, fame and success just become a byproduct and do not really matter.
Ritesh ji, what I understand that Indian students have big dreams. They're really hardworking. And when a child decides to go abroad, न सिर्फ पढ़ाई पर उसके आगे के फ्यूचर का भी प्लानिंग वो साथ लेके चलता है और आप उनके साथ जुड़ते हैं। इस कोविड-19 की महामारी के समय में उनके ख्वाब शायद टूट सकते हैं। क्या इस डर में वो सब बच्चे जी रहे हैं और आप उन्हें इस समय में क्या गाइडेंस देना चाहेंगे?
Yes, the current COVID-19 crisis has impacted students' plans all around the world, not just in India. As we all know, the current board and university exams have been cancelled or postponed, and there is absolutely no clue on when all this lockdown will end. The lockdown itself has been extending indefinitely, and there is no clue where we are going to head and in which month will we all come back to normalcy. In all this mess, the current plans of students definitely have gone haywire, and they are in the middle of a complete confusion and a lot of doubts where they don't know whether they should proceed further or not. The crisis itself has left health and safety issues around the world open, and that will become a major factor in students' decisions. But one positive that has come out in all this mess is that universities and countries all over the world have become very active in supporting international students, as they are very, very important to them. They've been offering unemployment monetary benefits, help in accommodation, health and safety related issues and insurance, and a lot of other benefits to Indian students as well as other international students. So although the COVID-19 crisis has impacted students, but there is no harm in continuing the process, and when time comes to take a decision, the current situation that time will decide whether it's worth proceeding ahead or not, and by then the situation in India as well as around the world will be much more clearer.
रितेश जी, As a counselor, you become a motivator. You become a proper and perfect and true guide for many, many students. I'm sure in this lockdown period, you will give them a perfect motivational advice. So, may I request you to do so?
This lockdown period has been a challenging experience for all of us. It has given us plenty of time to introspect and realize our true self. My advice to young students would be to use this free time productively from the comforts of their own home by doing several free online courses that are available. They could also build their resume in a much stronger way during this time by having virtual certification programs and exams done at home. This free time has also given us the opportunity to spend quality time with our family members, which otherwise is very difficult in our fast-paced world. The crisis and this tough time has filled our hearts with love and compassion for all those who are suffering or serving us as health workers. Let this love and compassion now flow in the form of kindness and social service towards our community, nation, and the world at large. There is so much we all can do from within our homes if we just think and take up the initiative. So let's not just waste time. Let's keep ourselves busy, our minds and bodies active even during this tough time. That's the only way to survive and fight this coronavirus crisis. May God bless you all and the world. Wish you all a very safe and a peaceful life ahead, and hope we all come out of this crisis as soon as possible.
लॉक टॉक का ये सेशन आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा, जहां पर आपको मिली है ढेर सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. Yes, and we all should thank Ritesh Bhai Savla for sharing valuable information with all of us. And I'm sure जो भी बच्चे अब्रॉड जाना चाहते हैं अंडर ग्रेड स्टडी या फिर पोस्ट ग्रेड स्टडी, वो ज़रूर मोटिवेट हुए हैं आज की ये बातें सुनकर. और यदि आपको और भी कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो एनी टाइम यू कैन बी इन टच विथ रितेश सावला, GB Education. Thank you very much. Have a good day, my dear friends. Bye bye.